Good evening, everyone. My name is Sagar Kantat Bagal, and today's date is 6 September 2021, and today's Viva topic name is a linked list. Linked list is a class can be used for doubly linked list, store the element. It's provide the linked list data structure. It's its inheritance to abstract the classes and implement the list. Uh, what is the importance point of the can be used for the Java linked list? Firstly, is used for the Java link class can be contain the duplicate element. Then Java linked list contain the list is contain insertion order. Maintain the insertion order. Then Java linked list is a synchronized, non-synchronized. Then Java linked list classes manipulate the first because the shifting needs occurrence. Shifting needs occurrence. Then shifting needs occurrence that then Java linked list can be used for the like stack queue. Then next is the hierarchical linked list classes. In hierarchical linked list classes, the show in a linked list class extend to the abstract subsequently list classes. They implement list in a Duke interface. Firstly, doubly linked list. In case of doubly linked list, we can remove the element in both the side. Remove the element in both the sides. For example, null is equal to 10, 20, 30, and null. We can be remove any in first index. Then we can be removed from the first two to last different in middle element can be removed or last element can be removed. Any element can remove. Then remove. Then linked list classes declaration is the public linked list e any for use for the integer string extend to the abstraction linked list e implement to the e. This is our the implementation. Then next is a constructor in a linked list constructor. Firstly is the linked constructor in use for the empty in list. Then second use for constructor for is a linked list collection to the extent. It is used for constructor listing containing the element of specific collection in a order. In a order the return to the by collector in iterate. This is the then following method can be used for the linked list. First is for the void add. In this method two variable in index and element. It is used to the specific element can be add or remove. In can be used for this element add. Then use for the wire add first. In this insert the first element being the list. Then add the last. In this use for the add the end of the element of the array list. Then void clear use for remove the or the element for the list. Then next is the object clone. Object clone it is can be used for return the show the copy of the array list. Then next is contain boolean containing object. It is can be returned to the true list contain the specific element. Then e element it is used to retrieve the first element of this list. Then get index of can be used for the it is returned to the element of specific position of the list. Then next is get first. It is used to return the first element of the list. Last. It is used for return the last element of the list. Then boolean offer. It is add the specific element of last of this list. Then boolean offer first. It is insert the specific element of end of the list. The end of front of the list. Then offer of boolean offer last. It is a user for the insert the element last of the list. Then epic the retrieve the first element of the list. Then epic last it is retrieve the last element of the last element null is empty. Then it is equal first. It retrieve the or remove the first element of the list and return the full list of the empty. Then equal last. Is it retrieve the remove the last element of the list return to the null and empty. empty. Then emove is can be used for the it is used for retrieve and remove the first element of the list. And emove is in index, it is used for the specific element of the element of position can be element remove. This is the all about from the linked list. Thank you.